Hello dear students and welcome to our new lesson or continuation of Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial 1. This is your technology teacher Mr. Hussein Ghabris, and let's get going. Our objectives for today are: convert a list to a smart art diagram, change the theme and theme variants, insert and crop photos, resize and move objects, check the spellings, print slides, hand out speaker notes, and the outline. Now, let's talk about converting a bulleted list into a smart art diagram, part 1. Click anywhere in the bulleted list. Last time we spoke about how to make bullet list, right? So we are going to continue from there. Insert the paragraph group on the Home tab. I already told you what's Home tab. Click the Convert to Smart Art Graphic button and then click More Smart Art Graphics. In the Choose a Smart Art Graphic dialog box, select the desired smart art type in the list on the left. In the center pane, click the smart art diagram you want to use, then click OK button. We are going to see this later on. How to convert a bulleted list into a smart art, part 2. So we have here a bulleted list, okay, and this is the button that we need to click to convert our bulleted list to a smart art. So convert to smart art button. These are the gallery of the smart art layouts, and this is the pointer on the screen. You already know about this, and this is live view. Whenever we move the pointer on one of these, it will show it lively on our PowerPoint slide. Changing the theme and the theme variant or layout. A theme is a coordinated set of colors, fonts, backgrounds, and effects. A theme and its variants are called the theme family. So here, if you can remember, we have here the font type, right? These are the heading font used in the title heading. This is the body font used for slide content. Here we have the font arrow to choose from different types or styles in fonts, and here are the theme fonts. Okay, so let's continue about this. Here we have the design tab, which has all these themes. Okay, this is the current theme, which is highlighted. At the beginning, we have Office themes is always listed as the first available themes. Here we have the installed themes by default. Okay, here we have the more button if we need to check for more themes, as you see over here. These are the variants of the current theme, so we can choose different types or colors of the current theme that we are highlighting on it. And as you know, we can also save or customize our theme, or we can browse for themes that we already installed in our computer. Now, working with photos. Content placeholder contains buttons that you can use to insert things other than a list, including photos stored on your hard drive, a network drive, a USB drive, an SD card from a digital camera, or any other medium to which you have access. You can also use picture buttons in the images group on the insert tab to add photos to slides. We can also get them from online. As you can see on this slide, we have already a picture inserted on slide 2. This one is the inserted picture. Here we have the format. Whenever we insert a picture, a new tab called Format pop up. It has a lot of buttons and things that we can use to customize our picture. Cropping photos. I believe all of you are using phones, and you are expert in cropping photos whenever you are using for Instagram, TikTok, or whatever you are using it for. So here we can also crop a photo if you want to, using this button. Now let's move on resizing and moving pictures. We can move and resize the picture as we want. And we can also display a ruler and grid lines. So as you see over here, these are the number for a ruler, okay, up and down or horizontally and vertically, and these dots are the grid lines, okay. We can find them in View tab. You can see over here we have the pointer, which has a cross, so that means we can move this picture when we hold the left click of the mouse and put it wherever we want. Also, smart guide showing alignment of the top of text box and photos. Can you see this red line over here? As we spoke before on Word, we can do word checking. I mean, we can do spell checking of the words. Do you remember when we have a red underline beneath the word? That means it has something wrong. For example, on this one here, possible misspelled word. Do you remember this from Word? Here we have this button for spelling button to switch it on and off. Spelling button on the status bar over here. Here are the words that you can choose to correct your mistakes. Now, if you want to use the slides or make the slides look like a book, we can click a button over here which is called Reading View button on the status bar. This one over here, which look like a book. This button will make our slide look like a book, so we can flip them like paper or pages. The hardest part is printing. I'm joking. It's the simplest one. We already spoke about this in Microsoft Word before. If we want to print anything, we go to File tab to display backstage view and then click Print in the navigation bar, and that's it. Thank you for being with me in this lecture, and see you soon in our next session.